As any naturalist would understand, nature does not work with smooth, continuous objects. Nature loves discrete objects like fractals. These discrete objects can create fabulous patterns by basic instructions, carrying out the same pattern again and again across a different scale. This is enough to create everything you see, from visual to non-visual, macro to micro, and beyond. This process is accomplished by a set of organic rules, a true fusion of geometry and chemistry. When you train yourself to view the world in patterns, you will start to recognize that fractals and geometric patterns are everywhere. There is a very real connection between how nature operates and the Mandelbrot set. Let me put it this way. Even the rings of Saturn indicate the exact same patterns as the Mandelbrot set, and that same set can be seen in the most important fractal of all in the human body, the microscopic writings of the brain. There are ways you can view these fractals. The first way you can view these fractals is by closing your eyes and pressing on your lids. And after a few minutes, you will actually start to see fractals. Be careful, don't push too hard. The second way of viewing these fractals is by taking mind-altering drugs. You will start to see mathematical entities. And I have personally had an experience journeying through the Mandelbrot set during a near-death experience. However, I had not the understanding of maths to identify it. I have no doubt that if there was ever a day we finally understood how our brains operate, it would be due to discovering equations not unlike the Mandelbrot set, formed by using the same recursive geometry. From a psychological perspective, Jung would have been ecstatic. A natural fractal is like a collective unconscious unto itself. We have within ourselves a mathematical form which is also within every other human being, and perhaps other mathematical forms that are more universal than that. Underneath it all, we are only mathematical beings. This has been Tuesday Talks with Irene. Join me next week. Like, share, and subscribe, and never be afraid to pursue the why.